Homegrown food is where true flavour lies, allowing ingredients to speak for themselves.
And that's the beauty of working with the freshest ingredients, is that they do the hard work for you.
With produce out of your garden, you only need to work with minimal lists of ingredients because each element complements one another harmoniously. And as Leonardo da Vinci said, simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication.
With ingredients like these, you can cook restaurant quality food from the comfort of your own home without the need of any kind of specialist equipment or techniques.
And Sam's new book, The Nature of Food, is much more than just a recipe book. It's a whole approach to working with and celebrating the tastes of the seasons.
Hugh and I are both passionate about reconnecting the growing and the eating of food.
And we believe that this is the perfect resource whether you're a gardener, passionate home cook, or both, and you're wanting to nourish your family with sustainable meals that bring great conversations to the table. This book features crops grown from my garden and from local producers to not only showcase delicious meals, but also how to be adaptable in the kitchen in a way that you don't always need to follow recipes by the letter to get great tasting results.
This book is a must-have for anyone that's pursuing self-sufficiency or trying to cut back on their food bill.
If you want to get your hands on this book before Christmas, you can actually pre-order and support the project over on our crowdfunding campaign.
The book is all written and photographed and edited, and now it's just time to bring it to life.
And it would make a good Christmas gift as well. All you need to do is to pick a pledge that suits you. We've got a range that suits every budget, from getting an ebook version to a full-on glamping and personal chef experience. And my favourite, I think as well, is a 4 signed book deal.
And my favourite is you get to name one of the chickens here.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Follow the link below to secure a copy, and I'm really interested to hear your feedback about the book. I think there's going to be some recipes, and Sam won't admit this, but there's definitely some that have blown my mind, and I'm really excited to hear how Sam's book helps you for meal times and in the kitchen.